ama-heroes, brave heroes of 1976. Njengoba ke sifikile la ekhaya lika-Washington Ndoda Shabalala. Sihlangene-ke nomfowabo uVuka Shabalala. Naye okuyiwo lo mkhakha wokuthola ngomlando wethu noku-enhancer ilegacy yethu yase-Soweto yase-South Africa ngokuphelele. Therefore ngizoke ngithi nje ngoba sengibekile ukuthi uNdoda wayefunda e-Orlando Diepkloof Secondary, which was popularly known as Junior. Yeah, so on that fateful day we went to school and then he never came back, like many others who never came back that day. Anyway, sizobuza nje mhlambe imibuzo ubabu Shabalala ukuthi babushabalala, when all is said and done by ukuhamba kwalamaqhawe la uNdoda, yini mhlawumbe into ebambekayo ubabushabalala nasinika yona ukuthi hayi emva kokuthi ehlomile, ngoba thina njengoba siJabu Shabangu podcast sifuna nokuthola ukuthi i-closure about abantu abavelelwa ile nkiya yahamba njani. That is our essence of ukuthola ukuthi abantu were very young then balimala kule nkiya yaka 1976. Kodwa ke emva kwaloko lutho emva kwaloko, so thina ke size la siphethe iprogram ye roll call ukuthi wonke amaqhawe aleso sigameko angaleso sikhathi abashona nabalimala noma yakuhlukumeza nje kanjani, just that peace is part of peace. Yiko si appeal to all the others ukuthi let them bring their story forward, let them bring the names njengoba babushabalala enzile usinikile ukuthi sikhulume la ekhaya ngo-Washington Ndoda Shabalala. Therefore babushabalala, kumbuzo wami mhlawumbe manga friendful khona anything mhlawumbe ungasitshela yona esingayitshela abalandeli ukuthi particularly ngoNdoda, ngoba thina sinjena asazi even a commission of inquiry was ever conducted. The commission of inquiry eyayirepresenta amabhunu ikhulunywa iconductwa amabhunu, which I don't think ukuthi yayirepresenta the true reflection yethu naboNdoda ne-struggle sama students.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu Mshabazi. After new dispensation njengoba ne-Jubilee 2000, i-Jubilee 2000 yayihlanganisa ukuthi kusiwe amakhampani afana nabo-Ford, nabo-Coca-Cola, nabo-Pepsi, ukuze abantu abashonelwa abazalwane babo, ingane zabo, abafowabo, odadewabo, abazali bakuthola isinxephezelo. Kodwa ngobuhlungu-ke ngesikhathi ku-President uThabo Mbeki wayiphikisa leyo ndaba, i-Jubilee 2000-ke sasesibhalisile-ke njengabantu abashonelwa abafowethu nodadewethu ngo-1976. Yonke lo project le yaphela emoyeni. Thina-ke kwasimangaza ukuthi besithi abafowethu nodadewethu kumele inkululeko. Uma sesikhululekile sicabanga ukuthi sesikhululekile izinto zizoba kangcono, kodwa ukuthi zibe ngcono sathola ingcindezi ebuhlungu ebuya kwabanye sesithembele ukuthi sitshele ukuthi bazosihola, kanti abasiholeki empumelelweni, basiholela bona ney'ngane zabo nemindeni yabo njengoba sibukela namhlanje. Thina sithi-ke ngokuthi kumele sikhokhelwe, kepha abakithi basacrifice kakhulu ukuthi kube nekusasa lanamuhla. Igazi labo lachitheka ukuze sikwazi ukuvuna namuhla. Yebo sesiyavuna, kepha sibona ukuvuna abanye abantu angazange benze lutho, yibona abavunayo. Nje sesaphenduka ibhubhisi. into nje esisukhulu kakhulu leyo ukuthi saza ukuthi cha le nkululeko ukuthi into engekho into ekhethayo asikakakhululeki mhlawumbe ngenyanga ngingasho nje kanjalo.
Baba Shabalala sibonga kakhulu uyihlaba esikhonkosweni Baba Shabalala because ukhuluma nge-closure ne-accountability because imisebenzi yalabantu it must not just end up as great numbers but that is why it's important ukuthi amagama wabo siwaphakamise njengamaqhawe wesizwe. Okuningi esesikubona kosho phela ukuthi masingasakhulumanga thina sobe sesithengisa bona-ke ondoda ukuthi ukuhamba kwabo emhlabeni bahambela ize which won't be justice. Ngiyabonga ngoba isinika futhi igqozi lokuthi sigcizelele le ndaba yokuthi accountability and closure. Sikhulumile laphayana nge-notorious two-coach train eyayisidubula laphayana sabeka nokuthi abanye bethu basala lapho ewethu esakwazi ukumhlangula uye mfo kaShabalala futhi uphendukani lo esizodlula siye kuye. Manje-ke Baba Shabalala thina njengeJabu Shabangu podcast ilitshe besithanda ukulenza i-symbol
khona bezibeka ngale komuntu ukukhulula umuntu.
Baba Shabalala masesiphetha njenge-symbol ye-June 16 50th anniversary ephuma kwiJabu Shabangu podcast in line with the Red Forum Committee. We wish to hand you this stone as a symbol of resistance because we are talking of heroes and sheroes who were fighting with stones. Though it's unbelievable, but it is true and they made it. Thank you, Mr. Shabalala. Thank you to the family of Shabalala, and above all, we thank the warriors that fell in that day. Thank you very much. We shall never forget. We will always remember you. Thank you. Your names shall be written in the annals of the true history of this country because you are the ones who make it possible. Thank you. Thank you. The stone, which was our fighting weapon, becomes the symbol of our resistance. Therefore, as Jabu Shabangu would like to make it a symbol by handing over a stone that will represent the resistance and the resilience of people like Washington daughter Shabalala. We will be glad if the family can hold that, and then as things move forward, maybe if it grows as a symbol, it will have to be brought on whatever day ukwenza isivivane esirepresenta imfazwe yaka 1976 June 16. Kunjalo nje, we also appeal to all the people in the arts and culture fraternity. We have prolific writers, we have prolific poets that we invite to be part and parcel of this endeavor in order to make it a successful and a meaningful event that will represent our struggle of the June 16, 1976. Thank you.